Okay, everyone. I'm Hardik Parab. I'm from Aka College of Physiotherapy, and I'm physiotherapist by profession. तो ऑन वर्ल्ड स्ट्रोक डे आज मैं कुछ मेरे एक्सपीरियंस रिगार्डिंग स्ट्रोक आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू। आज तक मैंने कई सारे स्ट्रोक पेशेंट को ट्रीट किया है, एंड एक चीज़ है बहुत ही कॉमन है कि दे गेट लाइक स्टिल दे आर एबल टू वॉक, they can do that certain amount of radial activities, but at the same time it's not 100% recovery. Very few of the stroke patients they get very good recovery. Rest many of them they consistently they will be having motor problem, sensory problem, उनको perceptual problem रहता है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग में इश्यूज होता है। तो फिजियोथेरापी उसमें बहुत अच्छे से रोल प्ले करता है। इवन एट द सेम टाइम देयर आर अदर ब्रांचेस, ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरापी भी है, स्पीच थेरापी, they all play a major role. They all work in a very good way to recover a patient with a stroke. लेकिन इन सब के पीछे एक मेन चीज़ है जो हम कभी नहीं ध्यान रखते। इट्स अबाउट लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन। स्ट्रोक पेशेंट को अगर उसको अच्छे से कंटिन्यू स्ट्रोक नहीं होने के लिए अगर किसी को भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए तो अपने लाइफस्टाइल को मॉडिफाई करना चाहिए। एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली करो। मिनिमम 30 मिनट्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइज आर एडवाइज्ड बाय ADA, अमेरिकन डायबिटिक एसोसिएशन, to prevent any kind of cardiac or stroke or diabetic kind of condition in American population. Same way in India, we can also do minimum of 30 minutes, maximum can go up to 1 hour also. So that kind of exercise is going to play a role, major impact will be there to prevent this kind of condition. क्योंकि वो आपके हाइपरटेंशन उन सबको कम करेगा, डायबिटीज़ को भी कम करेगा। सेकेंड थिंग विल बी स्मोकिंग को कम करो, जो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। स्मोकिंग होना ही नहीं चाहिए, दैट्स द मेन थिंग। यू शुड नॉट डू स्मोकिंग एंड रिड्यूस द अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्ट फ्रॉम योर डाइट। दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर टू प्रिवेंट हाइपरटेंशन, दोज काइंड ऑफ कंडीशन। एंड इट्स वेरी बेटर, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ टू have a proper diet. It should not be like you should not have diet in the form of more sugar and all, but still if you are using those energy calorie आप यूज़ कर रहे हो तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होता है। लेकिन because of our sedentary lifestyle we conserve more and more of energy instead of using them, so that's why it is not good, क्योंकि जो वो आपका वेट बढ़ाता जाएगा और उसके साथ मेन चीज़ होता है कि वो एथेरोस्क्लेरोटिक प्रोसेस बढ़ाता है, जिसकी वजह से स्ट्रोक और वो सारे इश्यूज़ ज़्यादा होते हैं। सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टे हेल्दी, to maintain healthy lifestyle.
29th of October, the World Stroke Day, and being a medical professional we all know what stroke is and the possible treatment for it, right? But what about those who doesn't understand in any kind of medical terminologies? So there has to be some kind of simplest explanation for that, right? So if I put brain stroke into a simpler definition, it will be like permanent damage of brain due to any kind of interruption into blood supply. It has three categories. First is ischemic stroke. It is happening because of the reduced blood supply, okay, reduced blood supply into brain. Next is hemorrhagic stroke. It happens because of any kind of leaky or any kind of burst vessel into any part of brain. Last but not the least will be there as TIA, which stands for transient ischemic attack. It is happening due to for the friction of time the blood supply will be interrupted, and the signs and symptoms which will be demonstrated by TIA will not last forever. It is also known as mini stroke, and it is also like less dangerous than the ischemic and hemorrhagic stroke. Okay, so any kind of stroke happens because of their blood supply is compromised. Okay, so if your blood vessels which are carrying oxygen and nutrient, okay, to the brain are blocked with any kind of clot or busted or interrupted, okay, it will ultimately lead to stroke. Let's talk about the symptoms. Okay, so symptoms can be muscle weakness or any kind of problem in tone, okay, and the person who is suffering from stroke will find it a little bit difficult for them to process the information. So information processing will be a toughest portion of stroke, okay, and there will be many other disability. Being a physiotherapist, we can be able to put person who is suffering from stroke in many rehabilitative programs and vocational skills program. Okay, by developing vocational skills, they will be able to be financially independent as well as physically independent. Okay, so yes, stroke is kind of dangerous condition, but there is no treatment like physiotherapy and hope. Thank you.